Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love shopping on Amazon, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you an easy, 100% legitimate way to get free Amazon gift cards. No surveys, no hidden fees, and no tricks. This method is tested, safe, and works on both iPhone and Android devices. Stick around, and I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. Before we begin, let me show you proof that this actually works. I have an Amazon gift card code that I got using this method. I'll enter the code, click Redeem, and there it is. 100 added to my balance instantly. Now, let me show you exactly how you can do this yourself. Grab your phone and open your browser. Go to fundszap.com. This is a site where you can get digital gift cards for free by completing simple tasks. Search for Amazon gift cards. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to find available Amazon gift cards. Right now, I see $50 and $100 gift cards in stock. These are limited, so if you see them available, don't wait too long. Unlock your gift card code. To do this, you'll need to complete 2 quick app tasks. These are legitimate apps from the App Store and Google Play, so there's nothing sketchy here. You can choose the easiest ones that fit your time. Let's do it together. I'm picking Solitaire Clash, which asks me to play a few rounds, and TikTok, which just requires me to open the app for 30 seconds. Both apps are free to install and use. Let's get them done. Reveal your code. Now that I've completed my 2 tasks, I'll go back to FundZap, refresh the page, and click Show Gift Card Code. And there it is. My 15-digit Amazon gift card code is fully revealed. Redeem your gift card. Just copy and paste the code into Amazon's Redeem a Gift Card section, and your balance will go up instantly. That's it. No waiting, no hassle. Just free Amazon credit to use however you like. And that's how easy it is. This method works worldwide and is completely safe to use. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more legit money-saving tricks. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'll be answering as many as I can. See you in the next video.